Let's go to the amusement park.
I can't wait to get there.
We're here.
Yeah!
Stay close to us.
Wow! It's so tall!
Look at the beautiful view.
I can see everything. I want chocolate ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh no! My ice cream!
Don't worry, Ali. Here is a new one.
Here is a new one.
Thank you, Dad. I want to ride the carousel.
Have fun, Ali.
That was amazing!
Let's play a fun game.
Go! I won a prize. Can we ride the train?
Enjoy the ride.
Ha! This is so beautiful. These look so much fun.
Drive carefully, Ali.
That was funny.
You did a great job.
Magic is so exciting. Ah! Wow! Amazing!
Did you enjoy the show?
Oh, Ricer! Yes! Yes! It was fantastic! Mmm! This popcorn is delicious!
Sharing is caring.
Thank you, Allie. Great job.
Great job, Ali.
Let's take a family photo.
This is the best day ever.
We'll come back again.
Ha! Today was so much fun. I'll always remember this amazing day.
It's a treasure hunt.
Let's find the treasure.
Follow the arrows.
I found the first clue.
Keep following the map.
Look, another clue.
We're getting closer.
I found the golden key.
I think this is the treasure.
It's opening. Congratulations, Allie.
We're so proud of you, Ali.
Mommy. I'll keep this forever.
What a wonderful family day.
You're the best brother. Today was an unforgettable adventure.
The fireworks will begin soon.
Wow! They're beautiful.
This is a perfect ending.
I'll never forget today. Thank you for joining our adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Lumexa English. See you in our next adventure. Goodbye.
Let's go home. Time to go home.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next adventure. Goodbye.